Welcome back to the vlog. It's vlog number 17 here. Yes, we have made it to 17 and I'm uploading on time. Points for me. Anyways, sorry if you can hear the 3D printer going. I have it going brrr. Means there's kind of a lot of time lapses in this one, so if you're not into that, sorry. Got a new sling, which Kip demonstrates in the video, and we fix some 3D parts and we make a cool book. Yeah, without further ado, let's jump right on into it. Okay, Kippy, you gotta fling a rock. This is for the vlog. Excited, Yogi? That would be yes. Yes, he is. So I got this little book thing from Temu, and it's just a bunch of practice pages, but they do feel eerily similar to these ones that I got a bunch of, and I figured maybe I could make it into a book as well, because like I have the stuff to do this and the crimp and stuff. So we're gonna try it, see if it works. I'm just gonna try this out. Open one of these things up, and I'm just hoping that it doesn't get stuck in it. So I think we want it on this edge. That's like actual cardboard stuff. You know what? This'll work. The two parts came. I repeat, the two parts came. So this part, oh, there's little mini screws. I'm not even sure which part this one is, so we will find out together. Ooh, okay, cool. This is for the AMS. I lost this screw. So we're gonna put this new one on. Very excited about that. I don't know why it's sticky. I don't like the fact that it's sticky. Perfect. It's the hot end. Yay! And new screws. Cool. We will start with this guy and then put in that one.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, over here is my latest tat tail, and up here is the previous vlog. So again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!